Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Chromecast and plugging it into the TV's HDMI port. Set the TV input to that port. Once done, turn on your phone and open the Google Home app so device setup is ready. This reduces time fiddling with menus. If the hotel Wi-Fi requires a browser login, make sure you have the network name and room number ready, because captive portals block direct casting until you authenticate. Next, you decide how Chromecast will join a network. Either your phone's hotspot, a travel router bridging hotel Wi-Fi, or directly to hotel Wi-Fi if allowed. Use a travel router to create a private LAN that both Chromecast and your phone join. This avoids captive portal issues. Once the Chromecast is on your chosen network, complete setup in Google Home and name the device so you can find it quickly when casting from apps on your phone. Finally, open a cast-capable app and tap the cast icon, then choose your Chromecast by the name you set. Your content should appear on the TV. If playback stutters or fails, make sure both devices are on the same local network, and try lowering stream quality in the app to reduce bandwidth. If things still go wrong, reboot the Chromecast and your phone, or recreate your private network. That simple reset resolves most hotel network quirks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.